Hey there, brother. You watching the Jonathan Dixon YouTube channel.
Man, I feel like future. I'm excited and I'm nervous at the same time. I'm excited to get my motor back together, but I'm nervous that I ain't found no problem. I don't know. I just don't know, man. So man, let's put it together, man. Alright guys, so we're back at the shop. We got everything ready to put this motor back together. Got everything cleaned up. So this is what we're gonna do. We ain't found no problem. We ain't found out why it's smoking. I ordered a new set of rings. I'm gonna put the oil rings in it. I'm not gonna put the compression rings in it because I don't feel like yapping the rings. That'll take me about 2 or 3 hours. I really don't think the rings were the problem, but it's easier to throw a set of oil rings on it. So we're gonna do that. We got a new ring squeezer. We're gonna use it. We're gonna put the motor back together, man. We're gonna knock pistons in today. That's all I'm gonna try to do today, and keep working, man. Let's get it. Alright guys, so I'm about to swap my oil rings out. Get the old ones off and put the new ones on.
Gotta take the stairs back out. They're hitting the ring squeezer.
Alright guys, we got all the pistons in. I hadn't torqued them yet. I think I'm gonna wait and torque them tomorrow when I'm fresh. I don't want to make a mistake. But we're going back together with it. Y'all stay tuned.
Few moments later.
Keep working, man. Let's get it.
If you only have 24 hours in a day, your success is dependent upon how you use the 24. You gotta hear me. People talk about Oprah Winfrey, Ted Turner, Warren Buffett. Listen to me. I don't care how much money you make. You only get 24 hours in a day. And the difference between Oprah and the person that's broke is Oprah uses her 24 hours wisely. That's it. Listen to me. That's it. You get 24. I don't care if you broke, you grew up broke. I don't care if you grew up rich. I don't care if you're in college, you're not in college. You only get 24 hours. And I blew up literally. I went from being a high school dropout to selling 6,000 books in less than 6 months. What happened in my 24 hours? I was like, okay, Eric, you got to get a grip on your 24 hours because you're about to be broke for the rest of your life. And that's all I need you to do for me. I can tell you all about your life if you just write down your 24-hour schedule for me and you let me look at it. I can tell you where you're going to be in 5 years. I can tell you where you're going to be in 10 years. I can tell you where you're going to be in 20 years if you keep that schedule.